Hey guys, back at it again, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a paper plane model Vulture. It's from my own design, which looks something like this. Going to be showing you how to do that. Okay, first you push the paper down and make a crease like so, and then you're going to be pushing the paper to the left. Just open it up and you do two sync folds, one from the right and one to the left. Next, what I want you to do is make a fold. You put the right side to the bottom, like so. You do the same thing to the other side. And what you want to do next is fold it the other way around. Not the back side, but in the front side. You do the same to this side. And what you want to do next, it works better if you have a lighting, but as you can see, there's a line right there. What you want to do next is fold it that way. Fold to the bottom. See, as you can see. Okay. Next, what you want to do is fold it this way. Once again, you're folding it this way. And if you can see this line, the next step would be to push it down. You do the next side and you push it again. The next step is to fold this. Wait, I'm sorry. You open it up and you fold this to the top. We all make mistakes. You flip it again. Then you do this. As you can see, the line here. I messed up. You do the same thing to this side. Then what you want to do next, as you can see this line here, you're going to be pushing it, sinking it to the top. And as you can see, it's going to be, you're going to have to look at the sides. See, pushing it to the top. Once again, pushing it to the top. And you're done. Air paper plane, aka Vulture. Make sure you like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Tune in next week for another video. And done.